The principle, the formula of invention is in the Bible. As he thinketh, so he is. Anything you lay your mind on, and on a daily basis, you keep revolving around it, expanding, revolving, expanding, revolving, researching, revolving, putting it to work, revolving. Then, the moment your brain picks up that line of energy, then it begins to open up to you horizons. That's how it works. It begins to open onto you. Horizons begins to open onto you. Your brain begins to open up on that dimension that your mind has focused on. That is why when you see a person who is malicious, he or she is easily offended. Yes or yes? Because that is where his or her mind is focused on. When you see somebody who is easily angered, any little insult, it don't fly. Because that is what the brain is receiving. That is the signal that the brain is receiving on and on. When you see somebody who imagines sex 247, man or woman, male or female, when the opposite sex is not there, what will he do? He will masturbate. Why? Because that is everything that the brain is talking about at that time. When you see somebody who likes to cheat people, even when you are doing everything to be sincere to him, he never trusts you. He will see your sincerity as what? As cheating. Because him, they cheat you. So, the moment you are bringing any idea for two of you to do together, the first thing that comes to his mind is that you want to cheat him. So because of that, he would want to protect himself. Can you see that? In order to be the one to cheat you. When you see somebody who does not trust people, there is no matter how truthful you become to that person, he can never trust you because he himself cannot be trusted.